Hi guys, today we are going to make candy. Well, it's a Christmas cookie. We are going to make what we call coconut macarons. You need 3/4 of a cup with sugar. You need 2.5 cup of coconut mass, and you need 4 egg whites. Then I use teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and I will need a teaspoon of butter. So as you can see, coconut mass 2.5 cup, sugar, vanilla sugar. I didn't write the butter there, but you will see what I'm using that, how I'm using that. Put the oven on 400 Fahrenheit, mix everything, heat it up, don't boil it, for approximately 8 minutes, and then we are ready to fry them. Melting a bit of butter, a teaspoon first, and then adding the rest. Now we are going to stir, but we are not going to boil it. So reduce the heat. The sugar will eventually melt a bit, and it'll be just great. Removing it if it starts to boil too hard. Now stir well, and you can see now it's starting to get soft. Everything is getting softer down there. Low heat, don't boil. So I've preheated the oven. It's 200 degrees Celsius. That's 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I placed them and I made them ready. I'm just using a spoon, just, well, size. You decide yourself what kind of size you want them to be. And they're ready to fry. Placing them in the middle of the oven for about 12-14 minutes. I think they will be done by then. And while they are in the oven, I melt some chocolate. I'm using the Freya dark chocolate, and we're gonna dip them into that later. Just melting it now. And by the way, guys, this is how we make cocoa when we drink it. It's like a chocolate plate with this chocolate. And then when that is melted, we just add milk and drink it. That's fantastic cocoa. Well, here they are. I baked them for about 13-14 minutes, and now we're gonna put some chocolates on them. Chocolate. I'm just doing it like this. Not too much, because they're good enough as they are. And I'm only doing it about like half of them. Putting on a bit of chocolate on top of them. Awesome. And the rest of the chocolate, just added a bit of milk into it. And later I'm going to have hot cocoa with coconut mass or coconut macarons. I'm looking forward to that. Does that look good? Hot cocoa with cream and coconut macarons. I'm enjoying this. Now it's very easy to make. Takes you about half an hour. Go on. This is a Christmas tradition in Norway and in many other countries too.